Hello everyone. If you want to know how you can create a group on WhatsApp without adding any contacts, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a group on WhatsApp easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go on to web.whatsapp.com. You're going to log your account in if you haven't already by scanning the QR code on web.whatsapp.com. And once you're logged in, you're going to click onto these three dots right here. Click on new group then you're going to add in your contacts. You're going to click next on here. You're going to name the group then. You can also add a group icon. You can also set group permissions. And here you can select the disappearing messages timer. After that, you're going to click next on here. And there you have it. That's how easy it was to create a WhatsApp group. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.